Good morning, children. Now we will start from page number 58. Topic is changing background color. You can change the background color, pattern and texture of a slide. To change the background color, click on the background styles button present in the background group. On the design tab, a list of options will be displayed. As you move the mouse over a background style, it is reflected on the slide. Select the required background. Click on the Format Background option of the Background Styles button. The Format Background dialog box will appear. Click on the Fill tab and select any fill style option. Click on the Color drop down arrow if you want to see different color apart from the displayed color. Select More Colors option from the list. The Colors dialog box appears as shown in figure 5.9. 5.8 is Format dialog box. In this, various options are there: fill, picture corrective, picture color, artistic effects, and fill options. Various options are also there. Now next is you will be click on the Standard tab and choose the colors you want to select. Also select the Custom tab and create your own color scheme. Click OK. You will be directed to the Format Background dialog box on the screen. Click on the Apply All button to apply the color scheme to all the slides. Click on the Close button to close the dialog box. And figure 5.9 is Standard color scheme, which is having two tabs, Standard and Custom. Now I am going to show this practically. Now this is my slide of a particular presentation, and I have this Design tab selected over on the top of the presentation. In Design tab, I have this Background Style option in Background Group. This is Background Group, Background Style button. Click on the drop down arrow next to it, and when I am selecting the various background styles, see the slide's background color is also changed with it. Now you can also see the colors option here. Colors button is there, colors drop down arrow is there. Click on that drop down arrow. A list of the color scheme will be available. Click on any color scheme and it will be shown to you. For example, this I have highlighted. You can choose any color scheme. I have selected this color scheme. And also we have in the background style option only, background style option, one option is there, Format Background. Click on Format Background. There is Format Background dialog box visible here, which is also given in your book as figure 5.8. In this, four options are there: fill, picture correction, picture color, artistic effects. In fill, solid color is there. Solid color, you can change the color from here also, color option. I'll change this, for example, I change it to gray color. And in the gradient fill, see which options are there. Gradient fill also. Gradient means different shades of a particular color. This is, I suppose I have just selected this color and I want to lower the intensity of the color. That means make it more brighter, and then I apply to all. It will be applied to my slide. So this is gradient fill. Then is picture or texture fill. Now picture or texture fill means your slide, the whole background of the slide will be in the form of texture or picture. You can also change the texture from here. Texture option is there. Texture, select any texture and it will be applied to the background of your slide. Next is your pattern fill. Pattern fill is same color, patterns are there. For example, this is the dots pattern, this is the horizontal lines pattern, then you have diagonal lines pattern, and so on. One more option is there, hide background graphics. If I hide background graphics and if I apply all the background graphics. So whatever I have applied, it will be hidden. Now in your background graphics also, two colors are there, foreground color and the background color. Foreground color means the colors of the lines which are there, it is of green in color now, and the background color means the picture that means the red color with the black lines or the green lines over it, or I can choose this one also. So foreground color is the color in front, background color is the back color when you apply the pattern fill color. So this is format background color. Now again come to next topic. My next topic is inserting various objects in a slide. Inserting text box. Sometimes you may want to add more text than the area provided for entering the text. The text box present on the Insert tab gives the facility to add more text to your slide. Text box is a placeholder where you can enter and manipulate the text. Underline the line. Text box is a placeholder where you can enter and manipulate the text. You can move the text box along with its contents along with its data anywhere on the slide. Click on the new slide button in the slides group on the home tab. Enter the title activities of the month. Click to add subtitle placeholder in a slide. Type judo championship, cricket match, volleyball, chess as shown in the figure 5.10. Select the text box tool in the text group on the Insert tab. Hold down the left mouse button while dragging the mouse diagonally towards the right and release the mouse button. You will get a rectangular box with the cursor inside it. Enter the text January. Now what it is, I show you practically. Like for example, this is our slide. I will change it to, for example, this theme I have changed, and I have written first slide. To enter the text box, I go to Insert tab. There is one option, text box here. Insert text box, and when I do insert text box here, my cursor will be changing to a long plus sign. Just drag and drop the box. This rectangular dotted box with the corner handles and the green rotating handle is the text box. You can move this text box to up, down, left and right and release the mouse button wherever you want. Click inside the text box. Cursor will be blinking and you can start typing. For example, I have written computer here. You can change the font size and you can change the font color. Like this. And if I keep on typing, see the text box is moving by itself. That means the size of the text box can be increased or decreased. By pressing enter also it is increased. Second method is you can use this corner handles to increase the size of the text box, or this rotating handle to rotate the text box to in any direction, left, right, to any degree. So this is your text box. Our next topic is note is there. If the text is long, the text box automatically adjusts the text to the next line, keeping the box area in view. This I have shown you that we will type more, the text box will be getting larger in size automatically. Next is inserting word art. The word art feature helps you to create special text effects. It gives a unique, different look to the text. Using the word art, you can make the text curved, wavy, shadowed, apply 3D effects, etc. On the Insert tab, click on the Word Art button in the text group. The drop down menu of the Word Art opens up in the screen as shown in figure 5.11. Select any word style. So this is figure 5.11 in which various styles of the word art are given. Replace text with your own text and type Kip's presentation in the placeholder and select this text. Click on the text field drop down arrow on the Format tab and the Word Styles group. Select the desired color and observe the change. And the side boxes which are given here, quick view number 1 is press Ctrl plus P combination to print the slides of a presentation. That is to print all the slides of the presentation. Press Ctrl plus P. To create a duplicate slide, that is another copy of the slide, select the slide and press Ctrl plus D key combination. Now I will show you how to do it practically. Also come to the next page, page number 60. Click on the text outline drop down arrow. Choose the desired outline color from the displayed list. Now click on the text effects drop down arrow. Point to the glow option and select the desired effect from the glow variation select section. You will find a beautiful change in the text. Like for example, they have done Kip's presentation. I will show you how practically we can do this. Again I come to the slide. Now I am taking new slide from the home tab. I go to new slide. When I take new slide, I am just taking the blank slide layout. In the blank slide layout, I go to Insert. Here is my Insert tab. In Insert tab, there is one Word Art option. Word Art option is there in the text group. Text group, Word Art option. Click on that Word Art option. There is list of options available that are also given in your book. For example, if I select this option, then after selecting this option, a rectangular box is there which is written your text here. Then you can click on that text, erase that text. Instead of that text, write your own text. Like for example, in book it is written Kip's publication. Kip's publication. So here two things are there, the outline and the solid fill color. Now for example, when I select on this, I go to text fill. Text fill option is in Word Art Style group. Word Art Style group. Word Art Style group. Here is one text fill. Drop down. Then you can select any option. For example, I select red color in the text fill. First I have to select the text. Select the whole text. Then text fill option. I am selecting red color. So the blue color will be changed into red color, and again select the text. Then go to text outline. Text outline over here. Drop down arrow. Text outline, I am filling it with purple color. So the text outline here is of purple color. I'll make it more bigger so that it is more clear to you. So here you can see my outline color is of blue color. And inside I have red color. And also one concept is given, the text effects. Now what are text effects? In this only, go to Insert tab. Then you have Word Art option. I have selected this one. Then in text effects, this is the text effect option available in the Word Art Style group. Text effect, drop down arrow. You can use any text effect. For example, if I choose this text effect, after selecting the text, first you have to select the text, then select the text effect. For example, I am choosing transform option. Here in transform also sub options are there. I am selecting this effect. When I select this effect, see how the KIPS publication is now written on my slide.